Hello all traders, today is Friday 14th of February 2025 and we're going to look at the trade that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating above the previous day close and high during the Asian session and retested the high of the previous day and got rejected during the London session and again retested the previous day close and started to go up pre-market. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price started to go up and retested the previous day close on Nasdaq and also S&P 500, and then buyers came back and pushed the price higher. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down and market find direction in this sideways highly volatile pattern, and based on the reaction of price to these levels, if we see that the price gets rejected at the previous day high level, we take sell short position in a well established downtrend, and if the price have a deep pullback and get rejected at the support levels here, we take long positions in a well established uptrend. So that's what happened, and when I came back around 1 o'clock, we see that we had a deep pullback and the price was testing this level and it got rejected already a few times. So at this point, when I saw the buyers are coming back strongly, and you see here on cumulative delta, I took long positions here. We set up C and T on Nasdaq, and also on S&P 500 we set up C and T, and you see entry and exits here and close them all with profit. One sell short position was opened here by mistake that I closed it quickly, and all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see the performance on one of these accounts here that shows it was positive with profit factor of 59, which is coming from 83% win rate, which was actually 100% from the 5 long positions taken, and one single sell short position that was opened by mistake and closed immediately. And also the average win to loss ratio, which was close to 12. The largest winning trade was 345 and the largest losing trade was $16. So that's the summary of the trades that I have taken on one of the futures prop firm accounts. And for the small 5K CFD prop firm account, when I came back at the end of the market, the price was in narrow, highly volatile range again, as you see on Nasdaq, and was testing also this support level on Dow Jones, and also was in sideways pattern with high volatility on S&P 500. So I just took 2 positions, one sell short positions here on S&P 500 when the price was passing this level to go further down, but it failed, so I quickly closed this one, and also one long position when the price was testing this support level, and I took long position with setup B here that was closed with profit, and the market wasn't tradable, so this is a small lot size trades was taken on CFD prop firm account. So with these 2 positions that I took at the end of the market, our total profit is now $81.66 with the profit factor of 3.46, and the stat shows that from 152 trades we had 126 winners with the win rate of 82.89%. This shows the equity curve that is growing consistently with the percentage of drawdown, which was kept below 0.5%, which is 10 times less than the daily loss drawdown allowed by the prop firm to pass the second stage of the challenge. So hope this trade is taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also the CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.